Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change date format in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to change the date format, this video will help you to do that. Okay, so here you will see this is date and this is the format. My format is date, month and then year. Okay, so you can change it to the month, date and year, and you can also change you uh, month. 12 month means December, so you can change to the December. Okay, so like this you can change the date format. So what you have to do to change the date format, you have to select all the cell. Okay, and then here you will see format option, click on format, then here you will see format cells option, click on it, and then here you will see date. Now here you will see all the format which you can choose. Okay, so if I want to choose this format, okay, click on it and then click on okay. Here you will see United States, you can change all these things. Okay, and then click on okay. Now you will see the date format has been changed. So like this you can change the date format in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.